Hey there, girlfriend. Are you wanting to level up your skincare? And if so, you are definitely in the right place. If you've ever asked yourself, what is the best skincare for anti-aging? We're going to get to the bottom of that in today's video. We will see you inside. Hi there, my name is Ingafay, and I am a beauty enthusiast. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can determine what your skin needs. It's very important for you to find the best skincare regimen. You got to know what your skin needs. Secondly, we're going to talk about how you can customize your skincare to give you exactly what your skin needs once you know what it needs. And last but definitely not least, we're going to talk to you about a step-by-step tutorial on how to use an skin analyzer app that will give you exactly the information that we're describing. Let's do this, shall we? How do you know what your skin needs? Do you really know, girlfriend? I know I don't know. I know that my skin is a certain complexion. I know that I have a certain skin type, which happens to be oily. But do I really know my skin from the inside out? Do I know the gradual and subtle changes that my skin is going through as I'm gradually getting older day by day? So I could really tailor my skincare system based truly on what my skin needs, more so than me just guessing what it needs. I think it's very important that we analyze our skin. Have you ever had your skin analyzed? Well, we're going to show you exactly how to do that today. Comment below and let us know if you've ever analyzed your skin before. So before we get into how this skin analyzer work and what is needed, I wanted to just kind of give you some prerequisites of what you would need to have in place for you to actually use this app that we're going to share with you today. First and foremost, you got to have a cell phone, and it's got to be a smartphone. It can't be one of those flip phones, girlfriend. We definitely need a phone where you can get this app. And you want to be able to have your forward facing camera working. So if you, for whatever reason, if you've dropped your phone recently, or if your forward facing camera is not working, you will not be able to use this app, and we'll have to do something different. In addition to that, you want to make sure that when you use this app that your face is clean. So you don't have anything on your face, you don't have any hair in your face, so you're going to pull your hair back. You also are going to make sure that you don't have any glasses on when you actually use this app, so it can really give your skin a full scan. In addition to that, you want to make sure that you're in a well-lit area. I will personally say that when I did this video, I had to go actually in a different room because it wasn't working for me. I somewhat struggled with it, but I finally got it to work. So make sure that you're either in your bathroom where you have really strong lighting, or in the natural light where you can truly get a great scan. You want to keep your facial expressions neutral. So you don't want to have a big old smile on your face, and you don't want to have a big old grimace on your face either, but you want to just keep your face completely neutral, so that when it gives the skin analyzer will truly be able to scan your face and find out what's going on with it. Now, the great thing about the Skin Analyzer app is it can be downloaded from the Play Store if you have an Android, or you can download it from the App Store if you have an iPhone. So depending on what type of phone you have, make sure that you go to the Play Store. And when we do this step-by-step tutorial, I will actually walk through this with you so you'll know exactly what to do. So before we go into that step-by-step tutorial, I wanted to remind you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We upload a video every Tuesday for your viewing pleasure, and we don't want you to miss a beat. So be sure to subscribe. So now, girl, let's do this step-by-step tutorial. So I got my phone here, and we're going to actually do this together. I'm going to split my screen so you can actually see me here working on my phone, as well as what my phone is doing on the screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Play Store, and I am going to type in Skin Analyzer Mary Kay. So I'm going to type that in, and it comes up. And the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is install it. So it's installing this now. I'm letting it go through the installation process. Now, I know some of you may have a lot of apps on your phone. This does not have to be an app that you keep on your phone after you do this. So this can be something that you can use temporarily, but you just want to make sure that you download this so you can have it and we can do the proper analysis. Now you see the screen came up and it says Mary Kay, and you can choose if you are a customer or if you are a consultant. So we're going to choose the customer one. And then it kind of goes through the details of what I just told you about, the prep steps, that you need your camera and have the technology to evaluate your skin. You want it to use the forward-facing camera like I had already described, and you don't want to rotate the phone when you're doing this. So you'll just hit allow the app to be used. And then it gives you a breakdown exactly on how the skin analyzer works. It uses the most scientific-based facial skin recommendation technology. It evaluates your skin in real time using insights from characteristics of skin type, overall texture, number of wrinkles, discoloration, and under eye appearance. And then it's also going to measure your skin evaluation results against a database of about 80,000 facial profiles. So it has a lot of data to actually get this information from. So you'll just hit next. Then it tells you about how to use it. You want to make sure that you position your face in the oval, and then you want to send the results to me if I'm your beauty consultant, and then you want to share the personalized regimen. So it's also telling you about the kind of things to expect, that you'll see gradual changes in your aging, and subtle changes can be easy to miss. So the skin analyzer, it has it's the state of your skin, and often tailors the skincare regimen for you. So you can just click the link and it gives you the most accurate. You want to make sure your face is clean. You want to pull your hair away from your face, just similar to what I described before. Remove your glasses and all of that, and you'll have that. So now you come to the questionnaire. So I'm a female, so I'm going to click that. Then it also, I'm oily, and I'll click that. And then I actually put my face inside the oval. Now I want to show you the trials and tribulations that I went through when I did this the first time. Of course, I have this on my phone now, but being that I have on makeup and everything, I wanted to actually show you what I did earlier before I actually did this video. So you can see I'm kind of struggling to put this in the oval. I thought I was in a well-lit area, but it really wasn't well lit. So I have to actually go to my bathroom to make sure that I'm getting the proper the light that I need. The great thing about it is I love that it has those little green check marks. It's talking about your face, your eye alignment, making sure your eyes are aligned, make sure your face is aligned. And then it also makes sure you have the proper lighting. So you got to have 3 check marks across the top for this thing to work. So make sure that you have that check mark, and then it's going to give you analysis of what your skin needs. It's going to basically tell you exactly what your outcome is. It's going to tell you the products that they would recommend that you use to help you get tailored to what your skin needs based on what the analysis is. So it's a customized, tailored type of skincare analysis that's going to be specifically for you and your situation. So everybody's not going to have the same type of recommendations. Most people will have different things based on what their skin needs. You have the opportunity for you to get the products that are on the list that you can just kind of check and put them in your cart. It also is very important after you do the analysis that you send it to me, so I can send it, so I can see it too, and then we can set up a meeting via a virtual chat or even a phone call to kind of go over the different things that were seen on your analysis to see how I can better assist you in getting the products that you need. This is just an opportunity for you to find out what products would work best in your situation. It's not something that you have to purchase or buy, so you're not under any obligation to buy any of the products listed, but it is a great way for you to figure out what your skin needs and how you can improve the appearance and texture of your skin. So I'm hoping that this was a blessing to you. If you're interested in actually doing this, I would love to set up a skin analyzer evaluation appointment with you. It's typically 15 to 30 minutes since the app is pretty much telling us all what you need. If you are interested in that, I do have a link in the description where you can set up the actual call via Zoom. And if you want to do it another means, you can just let me know that as well. And we can just set up a time that meets best for you. We can do Duo, we can do FaceTime, we can do Zoom if that works better for you. Whatever makes you feel comfortable on us doing, I would love to do, just to help assist you in your skincare regimen and help you find an anti-aging regimen that's tailored for your specific need. So check out those links in the description. And as always, thanks for watching and enjoy the app. Bye for now.